In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Authenticator in 2024. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to download Google Authenticator from the App Store or Google Play Store. Make sure your app is up to date. When you open Google Authenticator for the first time, log in with your Google account. After logging in, you should see your existing codes, if you have any. If you're new to the app, the screen will be empty, but don't worry, I'll show you how to add new codes. To add a new account, tap on the plus button at the bottom right of the screen. You'll see two options: enter a setup key or scan a QR code. Some apps like Binance will give you either a 16-digit setup key or a QR code. If you choose to enter the setup key manually, tap on enter setup key. Here you'll need to input an account name. Then paste the 16-digit setup code. You also need to choose the type of key. Once everything is set up, tap add. Alternatively, if you have the QR code, tap scan a QR code and use your phone's camera to scan it. The app will automatically add the account once the code is scanned. Now whenever you log into an account where you've set up Google Authenticator, simply open the app, find the code, and enter it when prompted. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.